Another thing I'm going to do today is replace the air filters. I put these two K&Ns. As you may know, Camaros have two air filters, the TPI model 1, 2, and I'm going to replace them with K&Ns. So I'm going to have air filters for lifetime. Once a year, because that car doesn't do many kilometers, I'll just open up the boxes, take out the air filters, clean them, lubricate them, and so forth. First I'm going to start with that connector over there, that clamp. Now let's remove the airflow sensor from here. And look at the airflow sensor which is underneath the intake, is that over there. And I have to take that connector out, but I have to use both hands, so you'll forgive me, I'll have to stop filming. Once we've done that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connectors with the springs. You just twist counterclockwise and they come out. And the whole thing comes out. Let's see the filters. Yeah, they're good. They have still life in them, but since I got the brand new ones, I'll just replace them. And as I said before, that's the K&N, both of them. That's the code down here if you want to order. Now there's a bit of preparation here. The installation instructions say that apart from the filter we have the seal as well, which goes in there. So this side is a sticky surface. I have to peel the sticker off and stick it on there, and the other side as well. But before I do that, I have to clean with wax and grease remover that surface, so I'll make sure I have good adhesion and it will never come off. Bit of wax and grease remover. And let's peel off the sticker. That's one. And this is number 2. Another thing I want to do is clean the airflow sensor in there. So use mass airflow sensor cleaner. That leaves no deposits at all. Brake and parts cleaner won't do the job. And you let it soak for a while. Make sure you have some rags on the other end so they won't go to the seals that we just put in and destroy them. And once you've done one, you go once more, and that should be more than okay. Leave it for 10 minutes to dry completely and then try to put it back on and start the car. And since I have the opportunity, I think I'll clean that on the inside and mostly on the outside, especially underneath, because it's really dirty. To remove the clamps. What do I use? Hot water, 1 scoop of detergent, and 1 big squirt of dishwasher liquid. When they have to do with persistent and very heavy greased area, I put dishwasher tablet. Believe me, they have a very good degreasing ability. And after giving it a nice good clean with soapy water, I think it's time to put it back on. I also cleaned this area and I put some white grease over here for the lock, and I did a bit of cleaning in here as well. I put a rag with throat and body cleaner. I let it soak for a few minutes and then I cleaned it up thoroughly in there. And here's the new filter. You don't need to oil it. You can see how red it is. That's the color of the oil to show you that it's already done, because it's wrapped in this plastic sheet which doesn't allow the oil to come out. Now the way to go is these lines to look vertical towards the front and rear of the car. That's number 2. Just make sure that this gap in here sits on that lid properly. Goes all the way in. And done. Let's put the cover. let's put first that end. The plastic has to go all the way through these stoppers. Push and you turn. It takes 1/4 of a turn and it's right where it should be. It's tight. All done. Now let's start the clamps. And let's put the airflow sensor. Okay, it seems that we're all done. Now let's start the car. And we're all done for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, consider subscribing if you will. You guys probably know better than me about Camaros, but this video is addressed to someone that has no idea or they don't exactly know where or what. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and look after yourselves and your families.